Oh, I'm so screwed. Sophie! Sophie, honey, wake up. The plebs are calling my bluff. Please, Sophie, your Justin Pooh really needs you right now. Please, darling, I need to be held. Sophie, if there's any love left in your heart for me, please, I beg you, tell me you care for me. Tell me I'm a real man and that I'm wonderful. Make me feel better. Sophie, stop! Try to remember how you felt about me when we first met. Before the politics, before the scandals, before I paid off the father of that underage schoolgirl I diddled. Perhaps some light television viewing will calm my jangled nerves. Why do I explode?
Give me your rocket pack.
My rocket pack?
Now!
Yeah.
These colorful gender-neutral robots should provide the perfect escape.
I'll be back, Jazz. Autobots, transform and roll out!
Oh! Why did he have to identify as truck? Oh, what am I gonna do? Oh, the World Economic Forum is gonna be so pissed off at me. Oh! Oh! Only a miracle can get me out of this. O Father, who art in heaven, Castro be thy name. My kingdom come, when my Marxist mission be done, as it is in communist heaven.
Justine!
Father? Is that really you?
Yes, mi hijo. It is I.
This is exactly the divine intervention I needed. Dear Pappy, will you rise up from your grave and destroy my blue-collar enemies?
No, you hijo de puta. I'm a lost soul stuck in this picture frame for all eternity.
What brought you to this lowly fate, Great One?
Hubris. I'm here to warn you so you can have one last chance to save your soul, so that the obscene arrogance you inherited from me won't lead you to the same fate.
Okay.
When I died, I met all my old comrades who devoted their lives to helping me fight my revolution. But they still held a grudge about me putting bullets in their skulls and murdering all their friends and family after they helped me rise to power. My old pal Camilo Cienfuegos wanted me to apologize, but I refused. I demanded they salute me and serve me as their comandante and help me overthrow God so I could take over heaven.
Are you God now?
No, you maricon. I lost my last chance at redemption and was cast into hell.
So you've joined forces with the Dark Lord Lucifer, and now you've come to rescue me and crown me Emperor of Canada.
No. I tried to overthrow Satan too, but I didn't realize hell is already communist. I was completely redundant, and so the devil banished me to spend eternity stuck in this picture frame. Now I'm here to help you out of this shit pickle you're eating.
Father, what guidance can you give me in these dark times? Should I hire more members of the Aryan Brotherhood to commit violence on Parliament Hill? I also have Antifa on speed dial.
No, you candy-ass trust fund bitch! You can't control these people with threats. They don't respect you. Nobody with integrity or balls, or anyone over the age of 5 for that matter, respects you. You need to swallow your pride and talk to them.
Are you mad? I would never lower myself to speak with filthy common folk.
When BLM showed up on your doorstep, you didn't hesitate to get down on one knee. You showed solidarity.
That wasn't for solidarity. That was for power. Delicious power. Besides, it's easy to pledge allegiance to something I don't care about or understand if it means getting more votes.
No more posturing, you effeminate fool. You need to submit to these people's demands.
Why do you speak this blasphemy, Father? You always taught me to never submit. I can control these people.
Since those truckers rolled in, you haven't even been able to control your bladder, Justine.
I will not give in to this fringe minority with unacceptable views.
Fringe minority? The world's largest convoy of trucks traveled thousands of miles across the country to tell you to your face they'd rather ram shit down their throats than follow you. That takes some fucking balls, man. And you ran like a fucking coward, saying you need to be isolated for a virus you're triple vaccinated against even after testing negative with no symptoms. Just hearing me say that makes me want to put a bullet in your head.
These selfish un-Canadians say they're fighting for their freedom. Oh, well, what about the freedom of Canadians who did the right thing and got vaccinated? And then got vaccinated again. And again. And still accepted being locked down. Surely they should be fighting these truckers on my behalf.
Ay, carajo. Listen, Justine. You played your hand poorly, and now you're going bust. You need to accept defeat with dignity.
Are you abandoning me, Father?
I already abandoned you the day after I laid pipe in your mother. Now I'm trying to help you so you don't end up like me. See, I ran a Marxist country unchecked and unchallenged. Died. Was fooled by my early success, and so I tried it in the afterlife. Twice. Now I get to spend eternity in a picture frame.
I can't go out there and face those mean truckers, Daddy. They say mean things, and they have sex with women using confidence, not Bill Cosby drugs.
My old comrade Camilo Cienfuegos told me, people are very forgiving if you admit you are wrong and make amends. Go out there and apologize and give them what they want and deserve. Basic human rights.
I will, Father.
In a shocking turn of events in this trucker convoy standoff, Prime Minister Trudeau emerged from his hiding place to have a face-to-face chat with the demonstrators. This did not go according to his plan. After referring to them as a fringe, sexist, racist, Islamophobic group, the Prime Minister demanded an apology from them and asked them to respect his right to govern the country in any way he sees fit. He further added that the truckers violated his human rights and that the public gathering was the real virus. The truckers then gave Trudeau a piece of their mind. We are now going live to Prime Minister Trudeau for further comments on what preliminary reports are referring to as a vicious assault.
It was awful what those racist, transphobic beasts did to me.
Sir, did they assault you?
With their words. Their filthy language was razor sharp and cut through to my heart. They bludgeoned my head with facts, statistics, and graphs of empirical evidence on their phones. It was so traumatizing.
Trudeau would then refer to these Canadian truckers as Russian bots, who he calls the Ruski white supremacist anti-vaccine pro-racism hate women league that's growing larger and fringier by the day. Trudeau states that this is the greatest challenge we face as Canadians. However, according to a recent poll, the greatest challenges Canadians face are rising inflation, a growing mental health crisis, and trying to figure out why their Prime Minister is such a pussy.